Welcome to Becoming Awesome with Peter D. channeling Archangel Michael.
So why do Buddhist monks meditate in front of a mirror? Obviously for the self-reflection. Hey everybody, I'm so excited that Archangel Michael is going to be with us today and share about how reality is a mirror and we can learn and grow from this reflection. He's got 4 tips he's going to present. You want to stick around and get them all. It's going to be some fabulous information. Please put your comments below. It's real important that you're part of this discussion. It'll help everyone, including yourself, grow and learn from your experience. All right, here we go. Greetings, beloved souls. This is Archangel Michael speaking through this channel. We are so happy that you are taking this moment to connect into the field with us through this video. Please relax and breathe as you listen to these words, because it is not just a teaching we impart, but an energetic transmission of uplift that we are happy to share with you in this moment. This channel has asked us to speak on the mirror principle, as you call it, the notion that reality is a reflection. This is one of the most fundamental teachings that will empower you. If you can understand that you are not just here having experiences in reaction, but rather you are an eternal being. You have chosen to be here because this is intensive learning for you. Everything you do, everything you think comes to you back through the reflections of what you call physical reality. And understanding that means that you no longer are in reaction, being buffeted around by the winds of turmoil. Instead, you are piloting a ship, a craft, through the seas, into the waters you choose, into the beautiful places you wish to be. So please understand that this is you claiming your power, understanding that reality is a reflection. We offer you several tips to make this more. The first thing we wish to tell you is that we in the angelic realm, if we had envy, this would be what it is. Envious of your ability to interact with reality in such a creative way. Actually, what we hold for you is admiration, because we know that as you master your ability to manifest and create by understanding your power, understanding that you attract to you all that is being reflected around you, you become more of a cosmic, galactic, interdimensional citizen. And those qualities you will teach and transfer to the angelic realm. We have been helping with you because of love, but also because of self-love. We know that this is an investment, that as humanity grows closer to their source and becomes the embodiment of source in physicality and is able to create with source, through source, physically, you become powerful beings, some of the most powerful beings in the cosmos. And we in the angelic realm want to take these abilities that you are learning, learn from you, see how it is done, embody it in us, so that we too can grow to even more magnificent heights. You see, in the angelic realm, most of it is all blissful. Most of it is all peaceful, happy. But if you were at a party where everybody was wearing white and the music was just very calm and repetitive, and the people were all nice and polite, after a time, would you not wish for something different? Maybe someone wearing red in that sea of white? Maybe someone who pokes a joke or a jest? This is where the angelic realm is at. We have gone as far as we can go, not as far, but far, in the realm of bliss and peace in that aspect of the cosmos. We've explored it. And now we ask you in the human realm, who we've been connected with for so long, to help us learn the manifestation skills that you have and that you are going to embody in this time of ascension for your planet. So the first message that we have for you is that we see you as our teachers as much as you see us as your guides. Now, the second message about the reflection is understanding how powerful your creative abilities are. You are a powerful creator. Yes, you are a powerful creator. You have source in you. It is not that you were just a child of source. You were made with source. You have a spark of source in you. You are an aspect, a fractal, an expression of source in your dimensionality. So you have this amazing creative ability. What was attempted in the earth realm was a school, so to speak. And it's no longer kindergarten. It is graduate school that you are in, which is why some of you find it challenging and difficult. But a school where you have interaction with almost immediate, almost instant reflection of what will happen when you hold those thoughts, when you hold that vision of reality. So if you understand that this is not about just you reacting, but this is about mastery of your power, then you would look at creations and go, oh, that wasn't a very satisfying creation. Let me fiddle with it and tinker with it. Let me put more into it to get it to be what I want to be. Now, the mistake many of you make is the third point that we wish to speak of, and that is that you fall to an emotion and you let your emotion power your creation rather than your consciousness. Now, you see, emotion always powers your creation. This is the fact. You need the energy, the excitement, the energy, the high frequency vibration, i.e. the emotion, to come in with your consciousness, your focus of consciousness, and then that gives you creation. What happens with many people is that we get overwhelmed in our childhood, or we've never been taught that these emotions are just fine, they pass through us. So it could be traumatic. And then we shut down and we have trauma and we spend a whole lifetime in trauma. Let's go see a therapist and let's just shut down. And then that trauma just keeps reflecting over and over and over. It's the mirror. And then we create more trauma. And then we think that that's normal, a lifetime of trauma. Instead, if you can understand that as you complete an emotion, it has a full expression. It then becomes wisdom. It then is a connection to you and source, in that it learns from you, oh, this is how that looks. That is what source is trying to do, is just learn and grow. It's all encompassing, but it wants more too. So you complete it, and then there's wisdom, you learn and grow. But if you don't complete it, then you keep attracting that which is incomplete. That is the law of attraction that you hold, that you believe, that is what you receive, that is truth. But unconsciously, because you are not clear, you then hold a negativity, and it just attracts, and then your life goes to pot, as you would say, and you must experience the negativity until you realize, oh, it's not the external negative things. Those are only a reflection of the internal incompletion I'm holding. So if you complete your emotion, then you gain the wisdom, and that is where the knowledge and the power is, and then the creation grows bigger. So you can look at, oh, this is a series of difficulties. My gosh, I'm being put to a test. Now, this is difficult, of course, because you're in 3D, you're in a body, you have emotions, there's physical problems you may have as a result, there's emotional contraction. It is difficult to say, oh, I'm feeling this way. It is really terrible, as the channel would like to say, it sucks. It is really a terrible feeling state I have. And this terrible feeling state is my teacher of how I've misconstrued, misaligned, and have not completed And if I master this completion, feel the fear, feel the terror, feel whatever it is, then I get free and back into the bliss realm. And that's what powers creation, as we said earlier. You do it quickly because you can have the experience, finish the feeling, and then boom, you're in the new reality. We in the angelic realm do not have that ability yet. So we may have more bliss, but we don't have the ability to create and empower as you do. But you must understand you have that, and that this is your school, and now you're in mastery. So we invite you to do that. Own your power and clear. Now, the next suggestion we have for you is to understand that all the people in your reality are also reflecting to you. You see, they are players along with you. Some of them are just manifestations and projections of yourself, quite literally. And others are different souls who need to interact with you to complete their part of that experience so they can learn and grow too. The analogy the channel likes to use is you're in an elevator. No matter what floor you get off at, everybody on that floor has got off at the same place as you. Their elevator only goes as high as you. That's why they're in your reality and you're attracting them. So if you could see the other people around you, the ones you label as, he's mean, she's all terrible, whatever it is you say about these people, if you can see them as the reflections, maybe of yourself, but more importantly, of what you're holding, as we spoke of earlier, that which you have not completed, if you can see these other people as those reflections, then it becomes joyous. And it doesn't have to be like this. And you don't have to have your wars, which, of course, those who are doing control games on the planet want to keep you powerless and think this is natural and you just fight and kill and everything. So they can just live off of your power instead of you growing and ascending, moving into cosmic citizenship, literally sharing the angelic realm with all of us. So see the people around you as actors in a play. But understand you are writing the play. You see, this was a concept the channel had a hard time understanding. This is all a play, but he is the actor and all the other actors, or at least the reflection of them. He is also the audience observing the play. And most importantly, he's the director and the playwright, all of it simultaneously. So he's trying out different scenes. And as he tries out those scenes, he's like, oh, this one is a satisfying one. I think I'm going to write it in the chapter of my life. And then you have that writing, of course, is the completion of the emotional experience. You gain the wisdom. And then you have new insights. And you attract differently then because you're at a different vibrational frequency. Your elevator goes to a different floor. You attract differently. So you no longer attract the mean people. You may no longer attract the poverty. You can start to attract the joy, the happiness, the satisfaction, or the material goods that you desire. It's all available to you. There's no right or wrong at this level. It is just school, and you're trying creation possibilities. If it satisfies you, then it is a beautiful thing because then you're happy writing your play of your life. So there's no judgment about what you desire, but the important part is to understand that what's reflected around you is an exact reflection, a mirror of what you desire. I don't want this crap, you might say. I don't want this crap. Well, on an unconscious level, you do. And that unconscious level is you've had an experience that you didn't clear, as we spoke of earlier. You become conscious of it. You see it because the reflection's telling you. So rather than just react and have the emotion about what's going on around you that you may not be happy about, you go, oh, this is my teacher. This is my lesson. You see, no matter what conflict you're in with another entity, there's an aspect of both of you who's in a different dimension who are laughing about it. They're just going, oh, look, and now we're fighting like this. We still haven't figured it out. This is the 50th time we went, because we still haven't got it. And you are laughing with that other soul. even though right now you're in conflict about it. Yes, that is the expanse of reality. And if you understand then that you're only seeing the reflection of where you're at by the frequency you hold, then you become masterful and powerful. And that is what we wish to tell you. As we spoke of earlier, your empowerment is our empowerment. We have practiced and know oneness more so than you have yet to master. And as you master it, you will start to see that as you grow, all around you grows. So, of course, we've been helping you because it's been helping us, but it's been helping all of creation. And we are so grateful to have this connection with you. Thank you. Please let this message sink in, whether it's the words, the pictures, or more importantly, the energetic frequency of love and connection that you have with your angels, with your guides, with your source. There's so much love here. We feel it. We feel all those of you watching it. Thank you. And we share this love with you. Wow. Archangel Michael, thank you. That was something. Oh, if I can remember, I think he gave us 4 different points on understanding how powerful masters we are, and that to actually get a ticket to the Earth School is a big deal. It's like the most prestigious private school in the galaxy, the universe, to get here. So you can do quickly through experience and then master, and understanding that what you see around you is your reflection, understanding that you can complete by experiencing, that you are the author of the play as well as the actors in it. And your elevator gets off at the same floor as other people. So whatever level you're at, and the people reflecting to you is showing you the floor you've pushed. So if you need some tools and help completing your emotional experiences, check the links below. This is what my wife and I do on a donation basis. So don't freak out about the money. Come on in and do some clearing and expand your ability to master your reality and have the reflection that makes you happy. Stay blessed, everybody. Please give this video a like, subscribe, share it. Most importantly, put your comments below. You've got a lot of wealth of experience to share. Please, let's discuss it. Thank you.